Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update Toyota Prius software. Park the car, engage parking brake, and ensure batteries are sufficiently charged before proceeding. Verify your current infotainment software, build and back up any settings or paired devices if possible. Choose a stable Wi-Fi connection or prepare a USB drive with the official Toyota update file obtained from your dealer or Toyota portal, and follow the system prompts to begin the update. Start with the vehicle in the correct power mode and confirm infotainment stays powered throughout the process. Access Settings, then System, and locate Software Update to check for over-the-air updates or USB install options. If prompted, accept terms and begin download, or select the USB update file and confirm installation. Allow the system to complete progress without interruption, and watch for confirmation messages indicating the update finished successfully. If the update stalls, try a stronger Wi-Fi source or use a USB method as a fallback to avoid repeat failures. Rebooting the infotainment by cycling vehicle power often clears transient errors and allows a clean retry of the update process. Keep a record of error messages, and if issues persist or critical warnings appear, contact your local Toyota dealer for assistance so they can apply diagnostic tools and ensure the update completes safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.